What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how I got more than 1,500 followers on my Instagram account just within 24 hours. Let's begin. First of all, I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. I was not shooting videos for about 2 weeks. I didn't have time because I went to my hometown in Russia to set up my first physical business, and I'm glad to say that now I'm the owner of the language school, and that's a huge experience for me. It takes a lot of time, and that's why I didn't have enough time to continue with my YouTube videos. But now I'm back on track, and 2 videos per week is waiting for you constantly on my YouTube channel. So let's begin how I got 1,500 followers on my Instagram account within 24 hours. That was a huge surprise for me because at this time I was in Russia setting up my business, running around, and all of a sudden I opened my Instagram and I saw that hundreds and hundreds of people started to follow my account so fast, and I had no clue what was going on. And apparently what happened with my Instagram account, by the way, I started this Instagram account, you can see it right here, in spring 2019 with 0 followers. And now I have almost 1,000 followers, and majority of these people start to follow me just within 24 hours. So actually what happened with my Instagram account, why so many people start all over a sudden to follow me? What happened is, actually in one of my videos I was talking about Spark AR and how to create Instagram filter for Instagram stories. You can see the video right here. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description box where I explain how you can use Spark AR and create your first stories filter for Instagram. So basically what happened, I published my own personal filter preset, Lightroom preset that I made myself, and I was working on this preset for a really long time to make it look perfect, to fit any kind of image that I use within my feed. And using Spark AR, I uploaded my preset to this program, adjusted some settings so people can use it in Instagram stories as well. I actually mainly did it for myself because I really love how my preset looks on videos, and I published it as my personal Instagram story preset on my Instagram. And what happened is, a blogger that has more than 2 million followers used my filter, and once a person using a filter, you can see in the top right corner on Instagram stories by whom this filter was created. So that is how people started to follow my account, because this blogger has really a lot of followers and she just used my filter, and thanks to this mention of the owner of the filter, people started to follow me back and started to use my filter. Unsurprisingly, every single day I get new followers because my preset, my Instagram story filter, went viral, and now it has more than 800 views. So I've been talking about Instagram filters as a part of your Instagram marketing, so if you're not using it, make sure to include it into your marketing strategy to promote your Instagram even further. If your filter, if your Instagram story filter will go viral, then most likely you're gonna get a lot of new followers and a huge exposure to your Instagram profile. This works super amazing because you don't have to do much. It's actually as a snowball effect. A person starts to use it, and then the followers of this person can see who is owner of this create and start to use your preset or filter as well, and so on. And you simply don't have to do anything but just create one cool Instagram story filter, or as you might have your own preset or Lightroom preset that you use to edit your pictures, and you see that your followers are interested in how you edit your picture. So in this case, you can create your Instagram story filter using your own Lightroom preset. Apply to these techniques. You can find the tutorials how you can do this on YouTube, and if you don't find a good tutorial how you can do this, make sure to write me in the comments and I might make a video on this topic. And the second news that is connected with Spark AR and Instagram story filters is, I received yesterday in my email box, Instagram is adding a new super cool feature connected with AR, augmented reality, to Instagram marketing, and now people can buy products using this augmented reality feature and explicitly in these stories that people can create by themselves. Okay, let me put it in a little bit more structured way so you can understand. So if once you are able to create and use Spark AR. This program is for free, provided by Facebook. So once you start to use it and learn how Spark AR works and what kind of things you can create using Spark AR, you can include these into your marketing strategy, or even you can earn a lot of money, because since Instagram introduced shopping using augmented reality feature on Instagram stories, believe me, there will be huge demand for the people who can create and use Spark AR to create filters for the brands. So if you're not using Spark AI, because I think that's the future and that's where you have to go and dig deeper, if you're looking forward how you can expand Instagram account and bring it to a new level, if you're a business owner especially, then I might recommend you to go ahead and start digging and learning about Spark AR and how it works and how you can create your own Instagram filters. That was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned something new, not just follow and follow technique, because that doesn't work anymore, but really it gives you some inspiration, motivation, how you can push your Instagram account to grow even bigger. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button if it was useful for you, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell to not miss any of my videos. Remember, 2 times a week on my YouTube channel. And if there is any questions or comments that you have regarding this video or any other topics, make sure to write them in the comments, because I create content based on your requests.